Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So I'm doing another video, and this time it's on BTC POP. Now BTC POP is a platform, peer-to-peer Bitcoin banking. It offers users the opportunity to loan out their Bitcoins in order to fund new businesses that issue their shares on there. Exchange their Bitcoins for other cryptocurrencies, and this is an interesting idea, and you can look at their website, btcpop.co. They tell you how secure and reliable the platform doesn't require third parties, direct exchanges, and P2P lending. You can go to the website for a little bit more information. However, I do want to show that this is an interesting platform, but I don't recommend it. And we're gonna actually dive into that. So if you're looking for a loan, you have to register, get verified, and select the type of loan that you're looking for. There's a form to actually fill out, and you get if you are a match for somebody lending their Bitcoins, then you get the loan. The same thing if you're doing an initial public offering for your business, which is interesting. This is a different way than actually going through the traditional format. So I'm gonna log in here. So right now we are logged in. I do have a message in my inbox. I'll look into that later. So this is the dashboard that you log into, and you can see this person here is offering, doing a public offering for Monero mining. This person is selling shares, and the price per share in terms of Bitcoin is listed here. There's an end date for that. Now we can view the IPO, for example, here. So he says, hello, whatever. He's looking to fund 2 BTC for Monero mining at Genesis Mining. So basically he wants to buy a Genesis contract for Monero, and he wants the BTC for it. And now you're looking at, he just explains his point, what he believes he will get, the current cost for mining, and so on. Things to root for for a successful investment. Monero price goes up relative to Bitcoin. Bitcoin price goes up if you measure success in fiat values, which I don't think is good, but still. North Korea calms down. Yeah. So if you're interested, you enter how many shares you're looking to buy, and you give it to him. Dividends, you'll be paid monthly. Payout 80%. I am actually be buying. Yeah. It's interesting how this would work. He's offering 80% of the company in terms of shares, so he can make a little bit of bucks. So that's an option. It's very interesting, to be honest. However, I don't see. You see here, BTC POP does not endorse this investment. So how do you know if this investment is actually, if there's any assurances that this person will pay dividends or not? Yeah. This is a forum, it's just discussing with other people, and this person asked this question: is what is the chance this IPO can pay out dividends directly in Monero? Would really be into that if it was possible. And this was the 10th of September. Now there is no assurances from the IPO issuer, and you can see here there is no response. So really it's a high risk. You're offering somebody money, he might do it, he might pay back, or might not. Now if we look at loans, you're looking to invest, there's personal loans or business loans. Currently 0 business loans. We can look at the personal loans, and let's see what. Okay, so this person wants a loan for Bitcoin trading. He wants 0.75 Bitcoins over 60 days, 1% every 14 days. That's the payout. 180 days, 12.5% every 30 days. Asking for 0.9. So let's take a look at these two. Insurance none provided, so there's no security. This person could take the money and tell you good luck. IP risk 0.99, pretty high in my opinion. They basically verify him based on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on. This person is in India. Yeah, that's really it. There's no actual prospect updates. Yeah, it's really a high risk investment. Now if we look at the other person, again, no insurance provided. How can we guarantee that there will be payment? This reputation loan, %, over 90 days. Now that's interesting. Definitely. Insurance 1%. He was denied video or income. Basically there's no proper verifications here, so they're insuring 1% of your investment. No, I would never go for that, sorry. And it's all about cloud mining. Yeah, never mind. Honestly, if you're trying to scam everybody in your life, this is a good platform. And shares current value, view breakdown. Loan description, please support this loan. It's like, give me your money. Yeah. So as you can see here, it's not an ideal platform for you to invest in, unless you're a great scammer. Or if you have a legitimate idea and you need a loan for it. Let's say you want to actually develop your Bitcoin mine. Like for example, if I set up an IPO, or ask for a loan, provide insurance, show that, hey, this is what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to buy like 10 miners. This is what I'm going to get out of them. I'm going to trade them and I'll pay you with the proceeds. Yes, I can see something working out if it's very transparent, an ideal situation, an actual situation that you're presenting, not some cloud mining bullshit. Excuse my language. It's not going to work. So you can create bonds on this platform. Now bonds are basically, it's just asking for a loan, and you fill out the form and so on. So these are people asking to invest in business or increase Bitcoin mining capacity. This is an interesting idea. So bonds released 10,000 price per bond. So accepted all these. These are the verifications. This is if you want to purchase. He's engaged in Bitcoin mining, lives in Russia, Siberia. Basically, he has like 2 S7s and 2 S9s. He wants to achieve a rate of 100 transactions per second. Kind of odd. Basically, he wants to increase his mining capacity. Okay. You can check out his dashboard. Yeah. In real time. But you see, there's no insurances. What if this fails? He defaults. Current rating -20 out of 500. Are you kidding me? The platform, the idea for the platform is great, but execution of the platform is terrible. Amazingly terrible. If they did the platform where you actually have there's some credit checks, there is a deposit where, okay, if you're asking for money, you need to have 10% of what you're going to ask, and that is held by the platform, for example. Then yes, basically as insurance, if the investor loses this money, whatever you have as collateral held by the platform is going to be distributed to all the investors. Sure, that will make it more legit. There's different ways to do this. The way they have it set up, the mechanisms in place, frankly, are a joke. I would not suggest using this platform at all. So as you can see, BTC POP, interesting idea. However, the current setup is outrageously retarded. Excuse my language. So anyway, thank you for your patience and watching. Please like, subscribe, and visit Steemit. Upvote there. I really appreciate your help. Thank you very much. You have a great day.